Let's face it, sourcing new flavors is not as delicious as it sounds. I mean, it's just a strawberry flavor, but you need a very specific certified organic, kosher, GMO-free, cost-effective, CD jammy, true-to-fruit strawberry flavor profile that'll hold up at 450 degrees for 30 minutes. And, oh, by the way, your customer needs the demo in 3 days. It's okay, we get it. That's why we created Flavorush. What once took weeks of back and forth, calls, emails, regulatory correspondence, can now be done with just a few simple clicks. Say hello to the convenience and flexibility of flavor samples on demand. Flavorush is a user-friendly platform that gives you access to hundreds of flavors in our national flavors portfolio. Find samples based on application, flavor profile, label requirements, and more. Flavorush stores all of those cumbersome technical documents. And to top it all off, we'll ship your samples within 24 hours. Serving demos has never been so fast and flavorful. To get started, all you need is a free account and a tasty idea.